Hello everybody, good morning, how are you? Did you sleep well? My name's Zappo the Magician, we're coming live today again. Now today's show, I'm doing a live shout out for birthdays and to people. We've got a couple of things up my sleeve and then we'll be going to YouTube, to my YouTube channel, to Zappo the Magical Chef. Because today, boys and girls, it's all about Zappo kitchen rules. Now, this morning, one of the mums sent me a picture that, come over here, Mr. Camera, thank you very much. This is from Neve. Neve lives in Palmerston North, and she sent me this picture, which is beautiful, great. I love it. Look at my table. So thank you very much, Neve, for sending me that picture. I'll put that on my fridge after the show, and that's really, really kind, because kindness makes magic happen. Now, let's get into our shout-outs. Now, today, excuse me. Now, remember, if you have to clear your throat, children, or cough, we cough into our elbow, because that's the right thing to do. And I just had a frog in my throat. Do you ever get frogs in your throat? Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. This is the menu board today. It's a big menu board, so we've got a few shout-outs and birthdays, so we'll do those first. And then we'll get on with the other stuff, all right? So, first of all, hello to Mandy Matheson. Hi, Mandy, long time no see. Mandy's an old friend of mine, children. Many, many years ago, before I became Zappo, I used to teach aerobics at Les Mills, and we worked together. So, hi, Mandy. I'm exercising in the garage every day with the old jazzercise songs that are in my head still. So, nice to see you. Shout-outs. Amelia and Phoebe, that's Markel's children. Hi, Amelia and Phoebe from Wellington. Yesterday, I was out in the garden and I smelt your mother's cheese scones waft all over the hill to Zappo land. So I hope you enjoyed those. They look lovely on Facebook, on your pictures. A shout out for Ryan Kanda yesterday. He was 9. Hi, Ryan, that was 9 yesterday. Got so many here today. Seth, you were 5 yesterday, so happy birthday to you, Seth. Jamie Mitchell, you turned 6, so happy birthday, Jamie. Hope you have a nice day. Oliver Smith from Carterton, you're turning 5, so happy birthday, Oliver. Wow, so many birthdays. A shout out to Samantha, Bella Rose, and Henry and Lucy from Fielding. Hope you guys are well. Hello. Right. Here we go. Duncan Smith, apparently he's 2 today, so happy birthday, Duncan. Nice to talk to you. In Wanganui, my friends Judith and Peter. Hello, Judith and Peter. Hope you guys are well. Now, Harry Falloon, your mum sent me a circus picture, so thank you. Kind. Claire Daly. Claire, I've met at Montessori. Apparently your party is not going ahead this weekend. But look, you know, after the lockdown, you can have a big birthday party, but enjoy celebrating the party this weekend with your whānau in your bubble. Hi to Kitty McRae, granddaughter Promise. Hello, Promise. Hope you're well. Hi to Tanya and all from 14 Cotter Street. Hello. Hope you guys are well. Isaac, hope you're keeping busy. Jackson Archer. I met Jackson at Marston Library a while ago, so hi Jackson, I hope you're well. And the Marston Library, they're doing live feeds. I love the library because, you know, I love books and you can just use your imagination. You can go anywhere with books. Katrina O'Reilly's children drew me pictures, so thank you very much for that. That's really, really kind of you. Hi to Carla Langmead from Wanganui. Hi Carla, I'm loving your live feeds for exercise, so that's great. Keep up the good work. Oh, look, there's so many here. And hello to Jennifer Green. Sorry, Jennifer Greener. I should know your name, Jennifer. I do apologise. It's my writing. I've just smudged it, you see. When you go live, you can't get away with these things. So, note to self. Greener from Martin. Hello, hope you're well, my darling. Good to hear from you. Okay, so birthdays today. Phoebe, it's your birthday. Phoebe, that's Bev's daughter. I used to come to your house for birthday parties in Nio, so I hope you guys are well in Auckland. And Daryl sends his regards to Bev. Jacob Avery, you're turning 7. Happy birthday, Jacob. Cody Goff, 6. Oh, I remember when I was 6. We've got Irie Garland, Fern's daughter. Happy birthday to you. Jack Griffiths is 3. 3. Are you a tree or free, Jack? I think you're 3. Kimberly Allen, 21 today. 21 today, 21 today. You've got the key of the door, never been 21 before. I remember that from my childhood. Okay, here we go. So happy birthday, Kimberly. It's nice being 21. Alan Paras, 13. Now, Alan, he lives in the Philippines and his mum wrote to me. So hope you guys are well in the Philippines and thank you so much for dropping me a line and I hope you have a nice birthday. Right, we have Tanya Van Heeren's son, 10. You guys are in Auckland. Hope everything's well in Auckland. Nixon Pike, you're turning 5, the big 5. So after the lockdown, off to school. Yay. Hannah Burkett, turning 7. Happy birthday, Hannah. Isabella Wood is turning 5. Madison Donaldson, you're 7. Wow, 7. Lucky number 7. Thomas Glading, you're turning 5. Happy birthday, Thomas. We have Max and Jack Wolfender, who's turning 6. Wow, 6 years old. And Millie Denzel is 5 today. Millie I've met at Aotaki Kindergarten. So if anyone's watching from Aotaki Kindergarten, hello, love seeing you. Hope to see you again at Christmas when I come up and perform my Christmas show. So that's all the shout out. So that's the menu board done. I'm just going to pop it down here. Right, and pop that there. And we're going to sing Happy Birthday. Are you ready? Everyone in TV land, Toru, fa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And this morning in my kitchen I made you a lovely sponge cake, if you pardon the pun. So I'm going to put the sponge cake away down there. Now, talking about happy birthday, one good thing, children, that we've learned through all this is when we wash our hands, I always sing happy birthday twice. So do you want to do that with me? So, you know, if you're in the garden, you're playing, or, you know, if you've got a big garden, you're on your bike, or helping mum and dad put the rubbish bin out. So when we get back inside, we wash our hands. So this is my tap. We turn the tap on. Okay, water, some soap. And here we go. Let's sing it twice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Or if you got flowing soap. Happy birthday to you. Right, turn off the tap and you dry your hands and they're all nice and clean. Now I need to do this, boys and girls, because I always wash my hands, and it's good to wash your hands anytime you're helping mum and dad in the kitchen especially, and also before you have your morning tea, your breakfast, your kai. So I'll just pop that down there. Because for morning tea today, I've got a lovely sandwich. Do you like it? Is it a bit big? Oh, let's see what's in my sandwich. We've got cheese. Oh, yummy, I do like cheese. Oh, what we got here? Oh, a nice piece of turkey. Gobble, gobble. We have some lettuce. I do like lettuce. Oh, what else have I got in my healthy sandwich? Oh, I've got some ham and some cheese. And nice bread. Or I can put it on a plate and cut it up with my knife and fork. So that's my silly sandwich. I'm just going to pop that away. But remember, children, especially in the kitchen, You need to wash your hands before you prepare food, and also everything at the moment. Wash your hands, wash your hands. Great. Now I want to show you something really funny before we start the cooking show. So if you're near your kitchen and your mum and dad's are with you, can you go and grab yourself a tea towel? Okay, so just go and grab yourself a tea towel. Okay, I'll just give you 30 seconds to grab a tea towel. Here we go. And while the children are grabbing a tea towel, remember, parents, if I've forgot anyone or missed anyone with the birthday shout out, just drop me a line. If you want to birthday shout out or to say hello, drop me a line on Zappo the Magician. You can send a message rather than the comments, because sometimes I've missed a couple of comments. I've got an email address, zappo@actrix.co.nz, or you can go to my website, Zappo the Magician, and send me a message there. So, you know, and at the moment, today's show is pre-recorded, but tomorrow will be the same, and then Friday I'll do a live show. That gives me time to work on new material for you guys, because I've got lots of stuff in the studio, heaps and heaps, to keep us busy for the next few weeks. And at least if I put it up to YouTube, the children can continue watching it, because a lot of younger children love repetition, as you know. Hey, this is a fun thing to do with the tea towel. So put your tea towel on a flat surface. Now I'm doing it on my table, so you know what I'm doing. Find where the halfway mark is. That's about halfway. Now what you do, we roll the tea towel like this. La 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 la. This is just a bit of fun. Here we go. Now when you get to halfway, you stop about halfway, and we'll do the halfway that way. So it's like that, all right? Then we turn it over. Okay, you've done that? And we fold it in half, just like so. So you see the four ends there. Now this is the fiddly bit. So what we do, now it's gone down a bit, but not to worry. So what we do, oops, it's terrible with live, isn't it? Yeah. Just pull those bit out. We need one. Just bear with me, everyone. Two. Oh dear. I was dreading this morning when I went over it. Oh, I hope I don't muck it up. Okay, and then we need those. That one there. Just pull the ends, all right. That one there. Hold on a moment, we're doing well. We're getting there. La 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 la. Here we go. Oh, that was fun. All right. Then you hold the two pieces one end, the two little ends. I just need to pull them out a little bit more. I do apologise about this. If it doesn't work, I'll pre-record it and upload it. Oh dear, the joys of live TV. Oh my goodness gracious me. And I had it down pat. There we go. Having trouble with my tea towel. And then you pull it out like that. Here we go. And you can make yourself a chicken. Oops. All right. So try that anyway. And sorry about the muck up a little bit, but give it a try. And I can always put it up on my Facebook channel for the children to try. Anyway, we're going to go now to YouTube. So mums and dads, if you can press the link for the children, and you're going to go to my YouTube channel, which is on my Facebook page, to Zappo Chef. This was filmed at Greytown Little Theatre just a while ago for the Greytown Kindergarten, with permission from the teachers and parents, of course. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay? Cheers. Ka kite no. Ka kite. Bye.